What it do, tubas? Good morning. We are here rebuilding the island. I have a new unit for you. It is actually 4 units, 2 bedrooms, and it is gorgeous. This time I decided to do video instead of pictures because sometimes pictures don't give this any justice. I am so proud of all of the people that had hands into rebuilding this unit after the hurricane. So check it out and leave your comments towards the end. Appreciate you. All right, walking into the door. I guess we can make that the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen. Look how big this kitchen is. Just beautiful. That door leads into the other unit. Remember, 4 units. Some of these doors were locked. I'm like, why? I couldn't get in. But I still wanted to show you. I had to show you. Of course, we have a bathroom. Nice. Look at the tile work. The tile work is amazing. We got another bathroom and a wash area. So bright. 1 bedroom. Got that closet space over there. So bright. Let's walk on out and see what we got. Go to the next one. So now we are headed to the second floor. This is the second floor apartment. And as I said, 2 bedrooms. Excuse the work. You know, the guys were still doing work. Oh, swing from the chandelier. Oh, nice. All right, so this is one way. Up, no, it's not. It's the second kitchen area on the opposite side. Remember, 2 bedrooms on each unit, and they have their own kitchen. All right, let's see what the view. It's all about the views for me. Nice. This area is closer towards Red Hook. It was kind of country, like they call it the country area, but it was pretty nice. Pretty nice up there. Very quiet. Very, very quiet. Oh, 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 oh. You know, I'm all about the bathrooms. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. The towel is amazing. I think the towel guy outdid himself. One thing about St. Thomas houses is it's like a maze. One door leads to another room and another room and another room. It's just a maze. Everybody has a door, a room to go into. You got to be here to understand it. I love the towel. And you know, I'm a brown girl. Brown girl. Brown girl. All right, let's see what else we got. Look at that. Are y'all confused yet? Look at the maze. So you went in that room to get to that room, to this room, to that room. Okay. Yeah. It's a maze. At least I was able to cut on all the lights. That door allows you to enter this area. This is the front. Well, you can see you ain't gonna have no problem with parking. So this door will be locked. So this kitchen is for this side of the unit. All right. One bedroom. I just get so excited looking at the units because not at all times I get a chance to see them done. So I just be like, wow, these guys really did a lot. All to help someone have a home. It's amazing. Look at the lights. Look at the lights. All right, where we going? Where we going? It's another one. You know, I love having the extra bathrooms. Don't like to share bathrooms. It's my personal space. Okay. Where we at? It's another bedroom. It's another one. Another one. As you can see, everything is redone. All right. This is the front of what the house looked like. Once again, 4 units. 2 down bottom, 2 up top. Now this is the down bottom back unit. Beautiful. I guess they put something in there so you can get an idea what it look, how big the bed can be or what have you. Let's go see. This is, I was wondering why they put these kind of doors on here. Most likely is to make it accessible. Whoa, 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 whoa. That is huge. That is huge. Girl needs some closet space. We need some closet space. Maybe make the whole room a closet. Amazing. All right, where are we going? It's another one. It's a bedroom. I love the tile. The tile is so beautiful. Now, it's just we have this thing called African dust. Ugh, it gets on everything, so you always sweeping and wiping over. But it's amazing. The tile is just so beautiful. It stays cool on hot days. I hope you enjoyed that. Come back and I got some more rebuilds. And while you at it, go shop sociable. Of course. Thank you for taking some time to enjoy my view. Deuces.